Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on this laptop. So if you have the access to your physical keyboard, or maybe you have the external keyboard connected to your device, you can use a three keys combination in order to open the on-screen keyboard. Use Windows and Ctrl and O buttons at the same time. Press three of them at the same time, and this will enable an on-screen keyboard. Windows, Ctrl and O buttons. Now this on-screen keyboard can be reshaped and resized however you want. All you have to do is drag the sides and the corners of it, and yeah, basically it functions like the default keyboard. You just have to click on the keys on it, and this way you can type down anything you want. Now, to access the same keyboard from settings, you have to, in case you don't have the access to your physical keyboard, you have to open the start menu, then go to settings, then select accessibility and find keyboard right here. Okay, when you open the keyboard section, switch the toggle next to the on-screen keyboard option, and you will see the very same on-screen keyboard. Now, since it's very inconvenient to use this option all the time, but the advantage of this keyboard is basically that it has the numpad if you need it. But if you don't need a numpad, you can go to the personalization, then find taskbar option, and then select expand the list next to touch keyboard option and select always. Now you can close the settings, and when you need a keyboard, just click on this icon on your taskbar, and you'll see the keyboard, which can't be really reshaped or resized, but it's still a very convenient option for you to use if you need to have a keyboard at any time, which you can easily access. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.